Everybody, we have to pray our favorite god Ganesh ji. Remember? We have to do every Friday. Yeah! Baldy is correct. I will go first. Good luck. Thanks, Baldy, my friend. That is very kind of you. Oh, you're welcome. We are friends, remember? So, we will take care of each other. Okay, anyways, we have to pray all the Hindu gods that are in the bird city. First, let's begin with the whole flock's favorite god, Ganesh ji. Now let's pray to him. Om Ganesh ji, Om Ganesh ji. Okay, done. Now let's move on to the next Hindu god. I am here at Radha Krishna. Now let's pray to them as well. Jai Krishna, Jai Krishna, Om Krishna. Done. Now let's move on to the next three gods. Oh, I forgot there is only one. That's Ganesh ji again, up there. Let's pray to him. Om Ganesh ji, Om Ganesh ji. Okay, done. Now let's move on to the next four gods. Of course, Hindu gods. Now let's go. We are here at the next four gods. Ganesh ji with 5 heads. I forgot this Hindu god's name. And I forgot this Hindu god's name as well. And Ganesh ji again. I think we will learn their names in the part 2. Anyways, let's pray. Om Ganesh ji, Om Ganesh ji. Okay, done. Now let's move on to the next one. It's Silver Ganesh ji, up there, so high above. If we fly, then only we can reach him. Anyways, let's pray to him. Om Ganesh ji, Om Ganesh ji. Okay, done. Now let's move on to the last one, the giant Ganesh ji we have been all waiting for. Doom do Okay, we are here at the giant Ganesh ji. Now let's pray to him. Om Ganesh ji, Om Ganesh ji. Done. Now let's head back to the flock in the leader's workroom. And it's of course everybody's workroom. Oh, I hear him flying and coming. He's here. Well, almost. I am here, everybody. Now I think it should be, let's see, Pink Parrot's turn. Sure, I will go. Can I come with you, Dad? Yeah, sure you can. Yay! Wait for me, Daddy. Okay, we are here. Orange, you're also here? Yes. Okay, now let's begin with Ganesh ji. Oh, we are at the wrong place. Come on, Orange. I'm following you, Daddy. Okay, now this is the correct place. I'm here, Daddy. Anyways, Daddy, can you turn off the button? No! It's from our Hindu god. So we need to respect it. Okay, Daddy, now let's pray. Yeah, sure, little one. Let's start praying to him. Om Ganesh ji, Om Ganesh ji. Om Ganesh ji, Om Ganesh ji. Done! Done! Let's go, kiddo. Now let's go to Radha Krishna. Okay, now we reached our destination. Yeah, Joel. Now let's pray. Radha Krishna, Radha Krishna. Done! Done! Let's move on to the next one. That's of course Ganesh ji again. here, kiddo. Me as well, Daddy. Look, can you see him? He's way up there. Way up there. Our favorite god. That can also mean our favorite Hindu god. I can't see. I can't see. Don't worry, Daddy will lift you up. Come on. I will lift you up. Now can you see up there? Yes, now I can see. Owie. Okay, now let's pray to him. Yes. Om Ganesh Ji, Om Ganesh. Om Ganesh Ji, Om Ganesh Ji. Okay, done. Now let's move on to the next 4 gods. Right behind your father. We are here, kiddo. Kiddo? Orange. I'm here, Daddy. Oops, sorry guys, that was a mistake. Now let's continue with the birds. Okay, now let's pray to the 5-headed Ganesh Ji and this god, this mystery Hindu god, and this mystery Hindu god that we will find out in the part 2, and Ganesh Ji again. Okay, now let's pray. Om Ganesh Ji, Om Ganesh Ji. Om Ganesh Ji, Om Ganesh Ji. Done. Come on, everybody. Come on, Orange. Let's follow Daddy. I'm following you, Daddy. Next is that silver Ganesh Ji, way up there. Now I can see because I'm stepping on your tail, Daddy. Oh, ow, ow. Get out of my tail. Oh, sorry, Daddy. Does that hurt? Yeah, a lot. A lot, kiddo. Now let's pray. Om Ganesh Ji, Om Ganesh Ji. Om Ganesh Ji, Om Ganesh Ji. Okay, come on. Now let's move on to the giant Ganesh Ji. Let me come. Let's pray. Om Ganesh Ji, Om Ganesh Ji. Om Ganesh Ji, Om Ganesh Ji. I have prayed already. Now let's go. I'm coming. I hear their both wing flaps. They are coming. They are close. Okay, everybody. See you in the part 2. Okay, everybody. Part 2 titled The Birds Praying to the Hindu Gods. This is part 1, and after that, tomorrow will be part 2. See ya, everybody. Bye, and make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like. See ya. everyone. This video is for entertainment. And please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe button and hit the bell icon. We will see you in the part 2.